What is place value?
Place value is, let's say we have a number 5, 3, 6, 2. The 2 represents the units, the 6 represents the tens, the 3 represents the hundreds, and the 5 represents the thousands. It doesn't have to be 5, 3, 6, 2. It can be any number. So the 5 would be 1,000. The 3 would be 100. The 6 would be tens. And the 2 would be units. So the number is 5,362. You wouldn't say 5,000, 300s, 6 tens, and 2 units. Let's have a look at rounding now. These are the 2 rules that you use in rounding. 5 or more, let it soar. 4 or less, let it rest. The 5 or more means if the number is 5 or more, you take it to the higher number. If it's 4 or less, let it rest. It means the lower number before 4, you take it to the lower number. So here's some examples. Let's say in the tens we had 18, 12, and 7. So the 18 would be 20 because 8 is higher than 5, so it's 5 or more, let it soar. And then in 12, it would go to 10 because 2 is below 4 and it's 4 or less, let it rest. In the 7, it would be 10 because 7 is higher than 5, so it's 5 or more, let it soar. In the hundreds, we could put 327, 461, and 591. So now we would round to the nearest 100, but this is what we're rounding with. So it would become 300 because it's 2, so it's 4 or less, let it rest. So 300, and then 4, this 461, we're looking at this again. So it becomes 500 because 6 is above 5, so it makes 5 or more, let it soar. So 500 and 591, we're looking at this again. So it becomes 600 because 9 is over 5, so it's 5 or more, let it soar. Now at the thousands, we could use 1,782, and we could have 9,911, and then the last one could be 4,801. So then so we're looking at the thousands. So we're looking at the hundreds to round to the thousand. So this would become 2,000 because 7 is above 5, so it's 5 or more that it's soar. This would become 10,000 because we're looking at the 9. So 10,000, and the 9 is higher than the 5, so 5 or more let it soar. And then 4,801, we're looking at the 8. So 8 is higher than 5, so 5 or more let it soar. So that becomes 5,000.